very basic steps of the production line for our tanks, whether they're small tanks or big tanks, makes no difference. We bring the material in its flat state, checking the quality, make sure it meets our standards. The first step is to cut it to length, cut it to size, and then we'll roll it if we're talking about a cylindrical tank, or we'll form it in the press brake if we're talking about rectangular tanks. But again, the first step is the forming. It gets flown over to a set of setter rolls. The heads are inserted. We tack all that together. We cut in fittings. We weld it all off. We pressure test the vessel, the primaries and secondaries. Once the vessel is completely assembled and it's passed QC, it's passed all of its tests, then it goes into paint. And the paint process varies depending on what coating system is required. But essentially there's a blast process and then a coating process. It comes out the paint shop ready for final labeling and loading onto a truck before it heads off to the customer. Really what it boils down to is customers come to us because they have a problem that they need us to solve for them. We go out of our way to make sure we can solve that, whatever it is. We're in touch with customers generally weekly when there's a project going on for them, letting them know where we are with it. When the project's done, the closeout packages that we send with every project are complete and thorough, so the customer doesn't have to come back asking a bunch of questions. They have everything in front of them. We walk them through what their intended purpose of the product is, so we make sure we get it right the first time and they're going to be satisfied with it. This level of service is not really that common in our industry, and I think that's sad, but that's what keeps them coming back.